how to stop or disable sound sharing on your LG TV. So first of all, you need to tap on settings on your LG TV. Then you need to go down and click on all settings. After that, there's an option of connection. So you just go to the connection option, and you can see at the bottom, you can see mobile connection management is showing. Just tap on this. You can see sound sharing is showing here, and in front of sound sharing, there's a delete box. Just need to press on delete box and it will block or disable sound sharing from your LG TV. So I hope friends, now you will be able to turn off sound sharing in your LG TV by deleting this option. And in case you still face any problem, you can comment below and I will definitely give you reply. If you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button and also subscribe my channel for my upcoming videos.